Astronomers literally discovered stars that hiccup, and nobody talks about it. I was reading this random research paper at 2 a.m. because apparently that's my life now, and I found out about magnetars having starquakes. These things are neutron stars so dense that a teaspoon would weigh 6 billion tons, and they literally crack like an egg when their magnetic fields get too intense. The crust shifts and releases more energy in 1 second than our sun produces in 250,000 years. While everyone's obsessing over black holes, these cosmic hiccup monsters are out there, casually breaking the laws of physics.